Neha Malik posed in a skimpy multicolored string bikini which showcased her fine sexy body at its best, and now fans can't keep calm but praise her hotness as she posed on the beach. The stunning model is raising mercury in her sizzling bikini avatar as she strikes a hot pose in beach photoshoot. Neha is definitely the hottest mermaid on the planet as she looks alluring in her sexy floral bikini. The actress channelizes her inner Urmila Matondkar in this seductive picture as she brings a candid Rangila expression. She looks super confident in her hot Baywatch avatar as she strikes a candid pose for the sexy photoshoot. Neha brings the much needed sensuality in this tempting picture as she strikes a vivacious pose for the hot photoshoot. She brings the much needed raunchiness with her bold and bindas persona in this viral photoshoot. The actress seems to be in vacation mode in this sexy picture as she dons her hot floral bikini. The beauty brings the much needed supermodel vibes in this sensuous photo as she dons her sexy floral bikini. She is hotness overload in this sexy picture as she dons her floral bikini. Neha Malik gave a fresh hot treat. They feasted their eyes on bikini beauties on the seashore. Hot beauties are going crazy for boys. We are jealous of Neha Malik's bikini pictures. The actor is giving serious fashion goals. She took to Instagram to share a series of latest pictures in which she can be seen posing at a picturesque location. She filled them with pictures taken during her trip to Goa. The sultry siren posted a series of pictures at the beach where she sizzled in a green two-piece polka dots bikini. With sunglasses on, Neha is utterly glamorous, flaunting her assets in the most seductive way possible. She took pictures from different angles projecting her beauty, and her fans are drooling over these. She is always known for her stunning looks in music videos, but these clicks are sure to up the temperatures. The actress is yet to get her big Bollywood break, and her fans are hoping that this unlimited bikini show will land her in some good opportunities. The model looked gorgeous sporting a green polka dot bikini while flaunting her hourglass figure in the video. She is seen posing in the water, #beach vibes, while doing an impressive hair flip. Malik is wearing a lavender bathing suit, showing off her figure. Malik loves to hit the beach and spend time by the water. While she's there, she loves to do a lot of water activities. One activity that she loves to do is jet skiing. She posted this series of photos and videos on Instagram of herself riding a jet ski in the water. Malik is also a big fan of going snorkeling when she goes to the beach. She posted these photos and videos of herself snorkeling in the Maldives. She is enjoying vacation in Maldives these days, and from there she is sharing her back-to-back pictures. Meanwhile, she has shared some of her bold pictures, in which she can be seen in a bikini by the sea. Seeing this look in their pictures, people are commenting fiercely. Neha Malik's look in the pictures, then it has been seen that the actress is in bikini, and together she has completed her look by wearing black glasses and hat. Where fans are commenting fiercely on Neha Malik's photos and praising her. In such a situation, there are some users who are also condemning this look of theirs. Not only this, he is also making rude comments. The actress shared jaw-dropping pictures of herself donning a printed two-piece attire. In the pics, Neha left her fans gasping for breath as she posed at the beach. The actress shows her perfect curves by wearing huge black shades and applying pink lipstick. Freshly buzzed in bikini, the cutie is slaying with beauty. Bollywood beauty Neha Malik is impressing the boys with her bikini beauty. She is turning the audience towards her with her sizzling hips. Even though she is in her 30s, Neha still looks like a teenage girl with a buttless body. Mudgamar is making the boys sleepless with her beauty. This beauty with perfect skin tone is killing with her beauty. This beauty vowed with bikini beauty on the beach. Wearing only a two-piece bikini, this beauty is waiting for film opportunities. She poses boldly in two-piece bikini and flaunts her body. Every inch is filled with beauty and arresting skin tone. She also made her presence in a good number of fashion shows. She appears in films frequently as well. Actress Neha Malik is in Dubai these days, from where she has flaunted her bikini avatar in several posts one after the other. These pictures are viral on social media and people are also commenting fiercely. Seeing Neha Malik bikini look photos, people are comparing her with Bollywood actress Priyanka Chopra, that she is looking exactly like her and posing just like her. She is a model, actress and blogger. She started her career with modeling in 2012. Neha has made her own identity in her industry. She is known for music videos. She has worked in many music videos before working with Kesari. Neha Malik made it to the third place for Most Beautiful Woman in Arab Fashion Week. The actress remains very active on social media. Along with this, she keeps posting pictures as well. In these pictures, she is seen in an orange color bikini. People are very fond of these pictures of Neha. Every day she keeps sharing bold and hot pictures, more than her one. People keep waiting a lot for their pictures. She has got her photo shoot done on the beach. Neha has set this photo shoot on fire in the water. She has given more than one pose by sitting under the water, in which she looks very beautiful. Neha may not have shown anything special with her acting, but despite this, she remains in the headlines every day. And a special reason for this is the sizzling look of the actress. These pictures of her in bikini in open air are becoming increasingly viral on social media. Neha Malik has recently shared some of her pictures from Dubai in which she is enjoying sipping tea wearing a bathrobe. But while doing photoshoot, she has flaunted her bikini look. She showed her perfect toned figure in a colorful bikini. Malik looks gorgeous as she poses wearing a bathrobe. In the pictures, Neha Malik is seen resorting to a bold look to get people's attention. This photoshoot of Neha Malik flaunting her cleavage was shot in the morning. Many people like the style of Neha Malik in swimwear, so many people are writing nonsense things for her. However, the actress is getting a lot of likes on these pictures. Neha Malik's hotness has been increasing day by day. From figure to looks, she is always ready to dazzle the viewer. She is mostly active on social media. Black is the color of attraction and she looks attractive in a black outfit. Let's take a look at some of her drool-worthy pictures in a black bikini on a bed. She has now come up with her latest bikini picture on the bed in which hotness is overloaded and raised many eyebrows. She is a gorgeous and sizzling Bhojpuri actress and model, who impresses fans with her style and fashion. Neha's hotness has been increasing day by day. From figure to looks, she is always ready to dazzle the viewer. Black is the color of attraction and she looks attractive in a black outfit. Let's take a look at some of her drool-worthy pictures in a black bikini on a bed. Neha shared a stunning picture of herself at the yacht in a red bikini. Needless to say, the picture has created a frenzy on the internet. In the picture, she shows her perfect curves in a red bikini with sunglasses. The actress has been posting many pictures and videos from her throwback Dubai vacation, which are going viral on the photo sharing app. Neha Malik gave some stunning poses in her black bikini and what grabbed our attention are her cool sunglasses. We loved those blue sunglasses and even the hat she wore in this picture. She looks ravishing in these pictures and we just cannot get over these clicks. Nothing less than a beach princess. Neha flaunts her curves and boy she is really hot. Well, model turned actor Neha Malik took to Instagram to share her pictures in stunning bikini wear at a beach location. She teamed up her look with subtle makeup and a dash of lipstick. Striking poses for the latest photoshoot, she looks ravishing. She is one of the most popular models in the industry who is known for working in several Hindi films and web series as well. She is also a blogger and a social media sensation. Actress Neha is underappreciated. This actress has made everyone crazy with her look on social media. Fans are always excited to see Neha. Neha Malik recently set the internet abuzz with her latest look. She posed in a sizzling bikini, which left everyone smitten. Seeing Neha's bravery, fans are saying that she has set water on fire. But seeing his picture, you will also be forced to say so. Neha's bikini shoot on her Insta handle made fans' day. These pictures of her are not only attracting people's attention on social media, but are also becoming viral. This photo shoot of Neha Malik playing with her hair has created a stir in the hearts of fans. People can't take their eyes off Bhojpuri beauty's style on the beach. Actresses are also no less than anyone in terms of boldness. If you are also not believing, then definitely see the latest photo shoot of this Bhojpuri beauty. The name of the Bhojpuri actress seen in the photo is Neha Malik. Fans are very excited to see her pictures. In this photo, Neha can be seen posing wearing a bikini. Neha is looking very bold in bikini. Many people were seen saying that the actress must have set the water on fire with her photoshoot. Neha made her fans' day by sharing these pictures with her Instagram handle. Photos of this actress posing in bikini on the beach are becoming increasingly viral on social media and are attracting people's attention. In this photo, sand is also seen on Neha's body. Playing with her hair, the actress was seen enjoying the photo shoot a lot. Neha Malik's fans went crazy after seeing such acts in her bikini. Wavy hair in the middle of the wind is making the look of the actress hotter. It is really difficult to take your eyes off this avatar of Neha Malik. Many people were seen showering their love on these glamorous pictures. Neha looks like a total water baby. The beauty posed on the golden sands and also frolicked in the waves. The lady opted for a neon crocheted swimsuit. The bright color stood out in the sunny surroundings. Neha teamed it with a floral sarong and denim shorts. Neha chose purple shades to go with the neon swimsuit. She looked great. She was posing in the island of Pattaya. The latest fans flooded her with compliments after seeing her hot swimsuit pictures. Neha is very popular on social media. The sexy swimsuit was from Paparazzi Closet. Of late, we have seen a trend of female celebs going for stylish swimwear looks. She is wearing a black colored tube bra and a blazer over it. Neha has also carried white earrings for her complete look. Talking about the look, Neha has done bold makeup and has kept her hair open, in which she is looking very bold. Neha Malik has posed in this photo shoot while sitting and sometimes standing. Neha's killer looks have made the fans intoxicated. Now fans have shared this post with a lot of likes. Model turned actress Neha Malik is raising temperatures high with her latest photo shoot. Praveen Bhatt says, "It's always a treat shooting with Neha. She is up for new looks and experiments all the time. We tried the curly hair this time, which Neha loved," he says. "As a photographer, it makes your work easier when the model is ready to try something different. That depicts in all the photo shoots we have done in the past. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you."